4 p.m. Napa-overtime tayo ng 1 hour. Normally, wala kaming overtime pay kapag hindi billable yung task. But instead, pwede naming i-compensate in another day. Meaning, let's say if I rendered 1 hour today, in another day, pwede kong i-request na pwedeng, let's say, late in or early out. So, para compensated yung extra hour namin. Pero kung billable task naman, meaning nagbabayad yung client, we can file it as an overtime. Especially kung on-call work yung nirender namin. So, nakakapag-file kami ng overtime pay. Yan. Try ko mag-jogging mamaya. Kung nakikita nyo, kailangan tanggalin tong sa alulod. Itong sa... Otherwise, magbabara siya. Yan, pag umuulan, kailangan malinis yung gutter, sa gutter. Ayan, umambon lang ng konti. At nag-16 degrees ngayon, pero wala na yung mga tao. Mga mahinang nila lang. So, yan. Ang laki ng field. Laki ng park, pero tayo lang yung nandito. Pero wala naman na ambon. Yun nga lang 16 degrees ngayon. So actually yung 16 degrees, ano na siya, kayang-kaya na. So naka-isang layering lang tayo, isang shirt. Tapos isang hoodie. And okay na yun. Yun nga lang, umuulan ulit. Ayan, balik tayo. Ayan, nagyayabang pa naman tayo na mahinang nila lang yung mga tao. Tapos biglang, few minutes pa lang, biglang bumuhos yung napakalakas na ulan. Kaya pala walang tao sa labas dahil uulan ulit ng malakas. So, ayan. Mukhang hindi tayo makakapag-cardio exercise after work ngayon. Pero yun, ganun talaga. So yan ang concern dito pag winter, malamig, tapos more chances of raining. So parang sa Pinas din, pag parang rainy season. Yun nga lang sa atin, pag rainy season, medyo mainit pa rin. And dito, asahan mo na pag rainy, mataas yung temperature. Kaya mostly, mga tao nasa kanya-kanyang loob din ng bahay. So I guess yun muna. Hindi tayo makakapag-jogging ngayon. Ayan, fault ko rin pala. Hindi ako tumingin sa weather forecast. So, ayan. Ang forecast pala is from 6 p.m. onwards around, actually until overnight, no? The whole night uulan. So, yun, napakagaling na talaga ng very accurate, almost accurate yung mga weather forecast na app. So yan, kung dito titingin tayo, starting 6 p.m. 99% of rain, up to by 7 p.m. 100%, and 50% by 10 p.m. So doon pa lang pala dapat tinignan ko na kanina. My fault. My bad. Look guys, isa to sa mga pinaglalaroan ko lately. This is a remote 2-key Zigbee button. So it's a wireless standard. Parang Bluetooth but different. So what's good about Zigbee wireless standard is this is low cost and low power. So itong remote button na to, I just got it from AliExpress. So I think this was just $11. So convert to Philippine pesos, maybe around 300 pesos plus. So I use this home assistant. So if you've heard about home assistant or home-assistant.io. So maybe next time I'll create a video. Isa sa mga pinaglalaroan ko yung Home Assistant. Basically, it's a open source home automation. So, since open source siya, marami kang pwedeng paglaruan or i-control like smart bulbs, smart outlets, etc. So ito, this is a 2-button pero it has 6 functions. So you can control, let's say, smart bulbs or smart plugs. So ito ginagamit ko sa plugs and smart bulbs dito. So yeah, probably next time I'll create a short video for Home Assistant.